I had a full week where I went out 3 or 4 times and I crashed every single time. Scared myself stupid. So look, let's just send it again. I am bricking myself, so I am, but we'll try it. Right, let's do this. Okay, that was a long pull. Car's coming. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know whether that sounded any better or not there, like. This car's going quick. Car went straight. Car went super straight. You have to forgive me. I am very nervous. Very nervous. Car went straight. Car was performing very well there, like. Very well. But I don't know whether it sounded any quicker or not. I really don't. Nah. I'm looking for 150 at least. Tires are boiling. I'll let her sit there for a wee while. Let's see. Actually, I want to just quickly see what my motor temps are before I do anything else. She feels warm. Let's see. It was a good out pull, solid. You have to, like, guys, I am nervous. That's the cleanest run I've had for 2 weeks. Anything else has just crashed. She's happy enough. I'm happy enough with that. So let's quickly see what speed we've done. It didn't seem any better, but it went straight. So let's see, 140 something, or 150 maybe, but we'll see. I'll be happy. Let's see. Stop and read. Okay, so 147, we're down. Why are we down? Why are we down? That was a nice clean run. So it was. Charge the batteries up again, we'll do another run. So well, right, content with that, but what can I say? The setup has only changed. All I've done is I've changed all the bearings in her. So I've changed all the bearings. I've stuck a 0 degrees hinge pin in there. I've locked the rear diff. So it should have at least done 150 there. So it should. So what I'll do, I'll charge the batteries up again, do another one.